Welcome to Discovery Voyager. Today, we're diving into a poignant journey through the last known photographs of animals that have sadly gone extinct. Each image, a snapshot in time, serves as a solemn reminder of the preciousness of life and the impact we have on the natural world. Join me as we explore the stories behind these creatures, their existence forever etched in these final glimpses. Imagine, if you will, a photograph. Not just any photograph, but the last known image of a species. A creature captured on film, forever frozen in time, its lineage extinguished, its story silenced. These images, often grainy and faded, hold a certain melancholy, a haunting beauty that speaks to the fragility of life. They are portals to a past now lost, a world where these creatures roamed freely. The significance of these last known photographs extends far beyond their initial purpose. They are not merely images, they are echoes of existence, whispers of lives lived and lost. Scientists and researchers pore over these photographs, meticulously analyzing every detail, searching for clues to understand the animal's behavior, habitat, and ultimately, its demise. These images serve as stark reminders of the interconnectedness of all living things and the devastating consequences of ecological imbalance. Our journey begins with the thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger. This enigmatic marsupial, native to the island of Tasmania, was hunted to extinction in the early 20th century. The last known thylacine, named Benjamin, died in captivity in 1936. The photograph, taken just months before his death, shows a creature resigned to its fate, its eyes reflecting a deep sadness. The thylacine story is a tragic tale of human impact on a fragile ecosystem. Chapter 4, The Passenger Pigeon, a Billion to None. Once darkening the skies of North America in unimaginable numbers, the passenger pigeon was a marvel of nature. The passenger pigeon serves as a stark reminder of the speed at which extinction can occur, a cautionary tale for humanity. In the 19th century, their flocks were so vast they could block out the sun for hours, creating a spectacle that was both awe-inspiring and ominous. Yet, within a few short decades, habitat loss and overhunting drove them to extinction. The relentless hunting, combined with the destruction of their natural habitats, sealed their fate. The last known passenger pigeon, Martha, died in the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914. Her death marked the end of an era, a silent testament to the consequences of human actions. Her photograph, a poignant portrait of loneliness, captures the final moments of a species once teeming with life. Martha's image is more than just a picture, it is a symbol of loss and a call to action. It captures the final moments of a species once teeming with life. The story of the passenger pigeon is a powerful reminder of the fragility of our natural world. It urges us to reflect on our relationship with nature and the impact of our actions on the environment. As we look at Martha's photograph, we are reminded of the importance of conservation and the need to protect the species that still exist today. The extinction of the passenger pigeon is a lesson that we must not forget, a lesson that calls for immediate and sustained efforts to preserve the biodiversity of our planet. Chapter 5, The Quagga, a Zebra's Demise. The quagga, a subspecies of the plains zebra, once roamed the grasslands of South Africa in vast herds. Distinguished by its unique stripes, the quagga fell victim to overhunting and habitat loss in the 19th century. The last known quagga died in captivity in Amsterdam in 1883. The photograph, taken at the London Zoo in 1870, offers a glimpse into a world where these magnificent creatures roamed freely. Chapter 6. The Pyrenean Ibex, a moment lost. High in the Pyrenees Mountains where the air is crisp and the landscape is rugged, a subspecies of the Iberian ibex, the Pyrenean ibex, once thrived. These agile creatures, known for their incredible ability to navigate steep and rocky terrain, adapted to the rugged terrain, fell victim to hunting and competition for resources. Over the years, their numbers dwindled as human activities encroached upon their habitat. The last known Pyrenean ibex, a female named Celia, died in 2000. Her death marked the extinction of this unique subspecies, a tragic end to a story that had spanned millennia. Scientists were able to collect skin cells from Celia before her death, preserving a genetic blueprint of the species. This breakthrough raised the possibility of cloning the species back to life, a glimmer of hope in an otherwise somber tale. The photograph of Celia, captured in the wild, serves as a poignant reminder of what was lost. It is a snapshot of a moment in time, a testament to the beauty and fragility of life. Serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between humans and nature. This balance is easily disrupted, and the consequences can be irreversible. The story of the Pyrenean ibex is a call to action for conservation efforts worldwide. It underscores the importance of protecting our natural world and the species that inhabit it. As we move forward, let us remember Celia and the Pyrenean ibex and strive to ensure that no more moments are lost to history. Chapter 7. The Baiji River Dolphin, a ghost in the Yangtze. This enigmatic creature, also known as the Yangtze River dolphin, once thrived in the bustling waters of China's longest river. The murky waters of the Yangtze River in China were once home to the Baiji River dolphin, a unique and elusive creature. These waters, teeming with life, provided a sanctuary for the Baiji, which was revered by locals and scientists alike for its gentle nature and mysterious presence. Blind and relying on echolocation to navigate, the Baiji was a master of its environment. Using sound waves to detect obstacles and locate prey, it moved gracefully through the river's depths, a silent guardian of its aquatic realm. The Baiji fell victim to pollution, habitat loss, and entanglement in fishing gear. Industrialization and rapid development along the Yangtze's banks led to severe pollution, while increased boat traffic and fishing activities disrupted the Baiji's habitat. Despite extensive searches, the Baiji was declared functionally extinct in 2006. Conservationists and researchers had hoped to find a surviving population, but their efforts were in vain. The last confirmed sighting of a Baiji was in 2002, a moment that marked the end of an era for this remarkable species. The sighting was bittersweet, a reminder of what once was and what had been lost. Its image captured on a grainy video, a fleeting glimpse of a species on the brink of extinction. The video, though unclear, became a symbol of the Baiji's struggle for survival, a fleeting glimpse of a species lost to the depths. The Baiji River dolphin story serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the impact of human activity on our planet's biodiversity. As we reflect on the Baiji's fate, we are called to action to protect and preserve the remaining wonders of our natural world. Chapter 8. The Western Black Rhinoceros, a conservation failure. The Western Black Rhinoceros, a subspecies of the black rhinoceros, once roamed the savannas of Africa in significant numbers. However, rampant poaching for their horns drove the species to extinction. The last confirmed sighting of a western black rhinoceros was in Cameroon in 2006. The photograph, taken years before its extinction, shows the majestic creature in its natural habitat, a stark reminder of the devastating impact of human greed. Chapter 9. Lonesome George, the Last Giant. On the remote Galapagos Islands, a giant among tortoises, the Pinta Island tortoise, met its end. Lonesome George, the last known survivor of his subspecies, died in 2012. His photograph, a symbol of the Galapagos' unique biodiversity, became an emblem of conservation efforts worldwide. Despite attempts to find a mate for Lonesome George, his lineage ended, a poignant reminder of the fragility of island ecosystems. Chapter 10. The Caribbean monk seal, hunted into oblivion. The warm waters of the Caribbean Sea were once home to the Caribbean monk seal, a playful and social creature. Overhunting for their blubber and oil, combined with habitat loss, led to their demise. The last confirmed sighting of a Caribbean monk seal was in 1952. The only known photographs of the species date back to the early 20th century, grainy images that offer a glimpse into a world where these seals thrived. Outro: a call to action. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through the last known photographs of extinct animals. These images serve as a powerful reminder of the fragility of life and the impact we have on the natural world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discovery Voyager for more incredible content. Let's work together to protect the species that still share our planet.